We're just continuing with halachot of Hagomel. This is now Sif Hey. We're going to mention a very important halachat today, which has to do with the being motzi other people yidei chova birkat Hagomel. So we'll bring down Shulchan Aruch because that is going to be the Meikar Adin. Meikar Adin says Maran, im birech echad Hagomel leatzmo, ונתכוון להוציא את חברו ושמע חברו וכיוון לצאת, יצא אפילו בלא עניית אמן. Why? כיוון שמברך גם כן חייב, יצא אחר בלא עניית אמן. Which means like this. Says Maran, right now, let's say you've got 20 people that have to say Hagomel. So one person gets up there and he's going to say Hagomel for everybody else. Says Maran, since they're all obligated for Hagomel, now even though it means that each one was obligated for Hagomel for a different reason, whether it's going to be the one person was because he was choleh and then he was nitrapeh, another person he just came on a plane, another person was by the sea, another one just came out of jail, it does not matter. The fact that they all came and they are all obligated themselves in the beracha of Hagomel, one person will come and make the beracha and everybody else is going to be yotzei chovah. The Maran brings down that we're talking about even without answering amen. Now, obviously, right, lechatechila, they should answer amen, and also it's proper that they stand beside the person, meaning that, again, since Hagomel has to be said standing up, everyone, the ones that are doing Hagomel should be standing up, and they should be right beside the person, so that way he's having it in mind. However, though here, Rav David Yosef brings down that it actually comes out to a machloket rishonim. He brings a me'iri. Now we know that Maran did not see the Me'iri, which means one of these Rishonim, which is called, right, the Me'iri, right, he didn't see it. So many times throughout Shulchan Aruch, he's giving a psak, but he did not see this Rishon. This Rishon holds that you're not going to be Yitzhak Chovah. Why? Because since the Beracha of Hagomel was instituted as a Korban Todah saying thank you to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, you could not be Yotzei Chovah for thanking HaKadosh Baruch Hu through somebody else. You have to do it yourself, and therefore, since you have to do it yourself, you're not going to be Yotzei Chovah. So according to this, says Rav David Yosef, it's proper that every single person should do their own Birkat Hagomel. However, though he himself does say that if it's going to be that there's a lot of people, right, like I mentioned before, let's say there's 20 people here, they all want to say Hagomel. So if he says Meikar Adin, obviously we have the Shulchan Aruch, which means that you're able to come and say one Hagomel for everybody else. But there does exist the concept of saying it separately. That's why what we just said here, the Me'iri. And therefore, he does say that if a person can, he should try. Obviously, if they get the Aliyah, then they say it separately anyway. And then they're doing it in such a fashion. But again, this all has to do with the beracha. Can I be motzi somebody else yidei chovah? This is not just stama beracha that of, for example, birkat mitzvot. This is a birkat shvach. This is a beracha. This is a praise, a beracha for shevach, for praising Hashem. But still, there does exist, right, the inyan of doing the beracha by yourself in order to thank HaKadosh Baruch Hu personally yourself.